click on this, and you can see here, just move the playlist. You can see here channel and the URL and ID of the channel. Click on the ID URL, and it is already there. Press enter. Click on start download. Just try to download the medium size. Yeah, we don't need this information window. It is coming up by default, so it is another bug. So let's treat that. So you can see there that it has started downloading one of the all videos, that is 111 videos. Hey, hello YouTube, I'm Karan from Bharat, and in this video I'm going to put a little light on an older project named as VideoStealer. So I have made a video on it. Let me show you the demo of version 1. Okay, let's go into the source, run the batch file. Here you can see an interface is loading. Okay, it seems to be slow, but it is not. So let me open Defender first. Let it be. Okay, you can see this kind of output. Excuse me, on the CMD console. So you can use it to download a single YouTube video or any media site which can stream videos online. You can download the whole channel, the playlist, or a single video. So in this video I'm going to show you all one by one. So let's download this batch store video. Let me pause that and right click, copy link address, add the URL, and if the address is copied, you can see here it's already there. You just have to simply press enter and the address will come under the URL bar. And here are some options. You can select them and select them. Okay, I have selected some of those, and you can experiment with all the other options. So let me click on the start download button, and it is now downloading some information related to the video that we have selected. So it may ask us various file types. Okay, yeah, it is asking for the available sizes of the video. You can see here HD and medium size, small size, whatever you want. Let's download the small size. I've selected that, and meanwhile it is doing its work. Let me try to make Defender. Okay, as you can see, it is now started downloading the video, and you can see the speed here. You can see the estimated time and the percentage of how much the video is downloaded. So this is the simple method to download a single video. And to download a playlist, just click on the playlist tab. You can go to any channel. I'm just displaying it for the TheBATeam channel. Let's say you want to download the whole series of Learn Batch Programming. You want to learn batch programming. Okay, what is this? Just click on the add URL button again, and to click it on, you can see here a URL of the playlist. Here in this version you just have to right click and paste. You will see the same thing. Just go to the location where you can find this and sign, just write and caret in front of it, so it won't give you error. Now press enter and you will see and without the caret here in the URL bar. So just click on start download. So as you can see, the last download is finished. So let me go to the downloads folder first quickly, and you can see here the description file of the video. So you can read the description of the video. You can save the video in the separate folder also. There is an option on the download link. So it didn't save the description, Let me delete that. And here is the video, 41 MB. You can start it. Yeah, it will be complete video. And let me close that
Hey,
sound, and you can
algorithm,
see
but
the video is working fine. So let me delete that. So next time I'll try to click the option here in the end. You can see save the file to a separate folder. Just click on it, and now just click on start download. So it is detecting that you have provided the link to the playlist. So what kind of size you want to download for the playlist. So let's please select the size accordingly, because it is not downloaded from the web. It is just asking you to provide a size. So I'll prefer to use the medium size, because all the YouTube videos has this file format. Okay, it crashed. So let's download again. Try this one. Okay, an error record. So let me close this one, and let me go to the second version. I think I have fixed it in the version 2. Here you will see one benefit of this VideoStealer, that the settings you have saved, like you have saved this value, like you want to save the file in a separate folder, will be saved for all the versions. So let me go into there, paste, do the same thing again, just provide a caret here, press enter, start download. Let's download the medium size. So it is now trying to download all the videos in the playlist. So there are 11 videos in the playlist. Okay, my bad, 13 videos. So you can see here that it is downloading. So you can go into the downloads folder, and you will find a BATeam folder, a folder from the name of the channel, and you will find a playlist, Learn Batch Programming series. And under the series you will find a folder which contains the description of the file. VTT is file type that contains the subtitles to the video. So here you can see the description of the video, and here is the title, subtitle file. So it will keep on doing for all these videos. You can see the other videos is also started downloading, and you can download the whole playlist. So here you can see video 3 of 13. Let's see how you can download the whole channel. So let me close this one. Just click on this, and you can see here, just remove the playlist. You can see here channel and the URL and ID of the channel. Just click on the add URL, as it is already there. Press enter. Click on start download. Just try to download the medium size. Yeah, we don't need this information window. It is coming up by default, so it is another bug. So let's delete that. So you can see there that it has started downloading one of the all videos, that is 111 videos. So it is now downloading the videos. Let's see. In the downloads folder, there is no mess here. Just you will find the channel name. Go into the folder. You will find another folder uploads from the BATeam, and here all the videos will get separated from each other using a folder, a description you will find, a subtitle file you will find. So I think it is quite useful tool that the BATeam has created. It's for sure that it contains some bugs, but with time they'll get better. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt or want to share anything, feel free to leave it in the comments. Please like this video and share this video with your friends to help us grow. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.